Hello, good morning. For a change, this video is not about recruitment, not about interview, but about IBA Group Medical Insurance Scheme for retirees for the period 1st November 2020 to 31st October 2021. I am using the circular issued by Indian Bank, My Bank, Corporate Office, HRM Department. You can see on the screen. The last date for payment of renewable premium is 23rd October 2020. See, they have also stated the IBA Group Medical Insurance Policy for retirees is expiring on 31/10/2020. जो बैंक से काम करके रिटायर हुआ है रिटायरीज और उनका बाई चांस वो डेथ हो गया उनका फैमिली पेंशनर उन लोग का जो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी था वो अभी 31 अक्टूबर तक मैच्योर हो जाएगा इसलिए नया पॉलिसी लेने पड़ेगा उसका बारे में पर्टिकुलर्स इधर दिया है यहाँ पर दिया है दैट से ऑप्शन वन. This is option 2 is for with domiciliary that is not useful. Don't worry about that. Think about first one option only 4 lakhs insurance coverage for family. That means husband and wife or wife and husband. Then the premium is 32,264. If it is a family pensioner or the pensioner is a widower, then he will have to pay single pension only, that is single person only 19,358. This is officers. This is clerical 3 lakhs 24,199 and 14,520. Okay, this time National Insurance Company is issuing this policy instead of United India Insurance. Then for super top-up policy without domiciliary coverage for all retired employees having a base policy with or without domiciliary cover. मोस्ट बहुत सा आदमी डोमिसलरी कवर नहीं लेगा क्यों नहीं लेगा डोमिसलरी कवर में आपको 40,000 कवर है उसमें वो लोग जे पेंशन प्रीमियम चार्ज करता है 40,000 छोड़ो मत उसको जरूरत नहीं इधर क्लरिकल के लिए 3 लाख सम इंश्योर्ड के लिए टॉप अप 4 लाख होगा ऑफिसर और ऑफिसर से स्पाउस उनका 4 लाख कवरेज है टॉप अप एसआई 5 लाख हो जाएगा सो 5 लाख होने से तो आपको 6,554 देना पड़ेगा इफ इट इज अ फैमिली फ्लोटर दैट इज हस्बैंड वाइफ इफ इट इज अ सिंगल पर्सन you have to pay only 3,932 and if it is a say um, I mean, for super top up, you can have for a different amount, but I recommend you take for 5 lakhs only. Guidelines for retiree policy for 2020-21. Employees who are retired during the policy period 2019 to 20 but have not joined by paying one pro rata premium can join. They can also become. And next important point is retirees who were not covered under expiring retiree policy can also cover. This is a very useful change that has come. Previously, they used to say if you are not a member, you can't become. Existing retirees can opt with or without domiciliary option in retirees policy in 2020-21 irrespective of the option they had last year. But best thing is Without domestic basic coverage for officers, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs super top up for say for award staff, say basic coverage, say 3 lakhs, and top up coverage you can take up to 5. I think you can take only up to 4 lakhs. So that can be done. Maximum sum insured for base retiree policy for award staff 3 lakhs, for officers 4 lakh. Super top up policy is only available for retirees who opt for 3 lakhs. Now this point they have given because earlier they were giving only 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, then super top up. Now they are giving option for 1 lakh policy also, 2 lakhs policy also. Please don't be guided by that. Take only 3, 4 for officers. Award staff can opt for 1 lakh to 4 lakh sum insured in super top up policy. However, officer can choose sum insured 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. Acha. So this is one benefit they are giving, but it is not good. Present day cost of living for say hospitalization is very high. इसलिए 4 लाख और 3 लाख जरूर चाहिए. So now for retirees under officer cadre, 4 lakhs 32,264, and how to go for making payment of premium. The branches have been advised to inform all the retirees. Yeah. Last date for submission 23rd October 2020. Yeah. And next comes Annexure A. This is the say application form which we have to take a printout, and then we have to take a printout. This form Annexure A, 2 pages, and details of money to be paid are given here. For example, say if we are an officer, we take policy for 4 lakhs, then 32,264, then I plus top up policy 6,554. तब तो how much is the amount we are getting? 32,264, 6,554, 8, then 11, then 8, 38,818 for family floater. But if it is a single person officer, that is single person or family pension, in which case they need to pay only 19,358 plus 6,554. Oh, sorry, 3,932. That means 10, then 9 to 23,290 only we have to pay. So, this is what it is. This same for all the banks. Indian Bank, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank, जो कुछ बैंक है सबको सेम रेट है. अनेक्शर्स भी ऐसा ही है. इंडियन बैंक में इलाहाबाद बैंक के बारे में कुछ दूसरा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है, वो भी देख लीजिए. And this is the point. And they are telling the branches where they should remit the premium and all. ये सब हम लोग का जरूरत नहीं है. So abhi the important points I want to cover is like this. Clerical staff, retired with family, with wife and others. It say they can take up policy for 4 lakhs, sorry 3 lakhs. Top up is allowed 4 lakhs. For some officers के लिए 4 lakh in sum insured, top up is 5 lakhs. And usko to premium I have already told for officers. If it is a family floater 38,818, and if it is a family pensioner or there is single person 23,290. I suggest you you have to give a check for this amount and to the bank branch so that they can credit the account. And another important point is, if, see, regarding the premium amount, this is the amount, but still you better go to the branch, check up from them, then fill up the check and give them. So I thought I must share this information. Mainly those who have not taken policy last year also can take now. And this time they have allowed nearly 15,000 concession for single person, that is family pensioners, and it is really good for them because family pensioners are getting very low pension, only 30% of the total pension only. So that's what I want to tell you. This video is meant for bank retirees, clerks, officers, family pensioners for their renewing the insurance policy next year. Thank you.